Okay.
Okay, yes, you welcome to the Berber house, the first, and this is its water mill. It's working by pressure of water. 2 days, no water enough. We have a problem of water.
Okay.
Water they come in the river, and also you come to see the channel of water is empty.
Okay, so this is where you get the water
The
from.
channel of water.
Okay.
And this downstairs we have when the big turban is connected with that stone. When you turn with water, at the same time the churn.
Ah,
they
okay.
still use it even now. It's not just for decoration, but they still use it.
Okay.
And also we have many ladies, they come in here with barley, with green, with corn. They put in here 25 with barley.
Okay.
With this vibration that far in the hole, with the turn, they grind the flour. And every house has one small one like this. It's more dirigent.
Oh, okay.
Small one.
Oh, that's a small.
Yeah,
this is a
small one. They use it if you have a jet 5 kilo, 2 kilo, 4 kilo, 3 kilo.
Yeah.
But if you have more than 7 kilo, you should come here for to grinder.
So this is nothing grains, right?
Wheat. It's
Wheat. Okay. So
you
you
take picture
of it?
and then we go for to the burger house.
so you put the wheat, grind the flour,
Yes,
flour,
with
and
this
then
vibration they feel like
yeah,
this.
yeah.
They grinded the flour.
Oh,
Okay. Okay.
And inside you have burger house. Let's test it. I give you a moment.
Yeah.
Okay, this is a steam bath. It's hammam. It's called hammam.
Hammam, yeah.
If you like to take a shower, you just make down fire here in oven, and inside we have one bucket of copper to make water, and you can wait it maybe 45 minutes. When water is boiling, mix with water coat for the clean and for scrap the skin.
Okay.
Scrapping the skin. It's for 2 people, and they use this once a week, not all time, but just once a week.
Once a week. Okay.
The first material is madam straw.
So,
And in your
okay.
house, you can't find it like this. You can't find it like this. Because in city you find the hammam for all people, but here it's private. Each house has one.
Okay. Okay. Each house has a private hammam.
Exactly.
You want to go inside and see? What?
If you like to make like this. Like to make like this? And inside you have a Berber kitchen.
Can I come inside?
Take your time.
Yeah. Don't lock him. Don't lock him.
In High Atlas Mountain, every house has like this.
Every house will have. Okay. Come back, honey. Come out. Come out. Yeah. Come. Let's like yeah.
Mom.
Take a shower. Take a shower. Oh. Where are we now?
Okay, please, this is the Berber kitchen. And every house has one kitchen like this.
Okay.
More than 2.5 million people they live in Atlas Mountain. They live in similar like this life. This is the for spices. It's for drinkable water.
Okay.
And this is for bread.
Oh yeah.
For bread. It's for tea. It's for couscous. For tagine. For bread. And every house has one kitchen like
One
this.
kitchen
More
like
than
this.
2 million have like this.
Like
They
this.
live in similar like this.
Okay.
And inside you have other things. Yes, follow me, show you. And this is avocado. Avocado.
Oh, this is avocado.
Avocado.
Avocado tree. Okay.
And this is the bedroom. Bedroom. It's a 4 people they sleep in here even now. 4 people.
Oh,
You
4
can
people.
have those, 4
Okay.
people, yeah.
Nice.
Where is the wife?
Hmm.
Where is your wife?
She's coming. She's coming. She's
Okay. Yes, sister. Let's come in to see the bedroom. It's 4 people they sleep in here. It's for 2 people and children.
nice.
Children.
Can I sit?
Yes, of course, brother.
Okay.
But children, 5 years we stay with the parents. More than 5 years, don't.
Don't they say it's
Don't we have
separate?
a right to sleep with parents?
It's okay.
Other room.
Other room. They have another room for the
Yes, for,
more than
for
5 years.
children.
Good.
But if
Good.
you have more than 25 years, other you look for another house.
Oh yeah. So they go start a new family.
Exactly.
Yeah, it's good.
In
Good.
Atlas Mountain, we live in together. Father, grandfather, mother, grandmother, children, and boys, and man. They married, and man we don't married. We live together.
Okay. But they have different houses and different places
Yes,
to stay.
yes.
Very close by.
Yes.
Okay, okay.
La habitación de la matrimonio. Padre y madre.
And here we have and here we have a guest room.
Oh, this guest room?
Yes, the guest room. Living room.
Living room. Okay, living room.
It's living room.
Okay, we'll just wait.
Could you take picture, brother?
Okay.
Okay.
Go inside. Nice for people to sit in.
Can I sit here?
Yeah, you can sit. Can you take a picture of us, Nick?
Kind of hard.
Just do, I'll come that side, okay? That's okay?
Yes.
Yeah, you can take one. Okay, take one more picture with him.
No.
Oh, okay. Wait, close that. This one. Oh.
Yes, and here's
Yeah.
Garden.
What is this?
Okay, this is the guest dishes for special night, for wedding, for marriage,
Oh, okay. Marriage or the wedding
for the big occasion.
occasions. Okay.
And out you have small garden. And also behind the river we have the fields because many people they work in the field, like radish, green pickle, tomatoes, potatoes.
Everything is grown here. All
Everything. And also we have people they working in artisania like handcraft, like ceramic, jewelry, food sale, something like this.
Yeah. Okay.
And ladies, we have ladies they stay home like housewife, and ladies they working in argan oil and cooperative car.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm living far away than here.
You're living far away. Or? Okay.
Yeah, but I'm coming here to give you information.
Nice.
My family they live in here don't speak any language.
Okay.
Just Berber.
Well, they speak what language?
They speak just the Berber language.
Berber language.
Yes.
It's different. It's like Arabic.
It's different, no, it's different than Arabic.
Different Arabic.
It's
Okay. So different. Beautiful.
Good.
And that's the water, is it? Water.
It's behind here we have river
River, yeah.
and also jungle, but no animals.
No animals. It's
No
all
animals, just like a fox.
fox. Yeah, okay.
Fox like a dog, like cat, like something like this.
Okay. Beautiful. Oh, he's on the swing.
And we have inside we have small property for the people they live in Atlas Mountain.
Okay.
We have small property like handcraft, like ceramic,
So
jewelry.
I'm gonna show you.
I will show you for the.
Come on, buddy.
Can I climb the tree?
No, you can't climb it. That will tear. But come on.
Then I want to get some.
Okay, stop. Stop your friend. Your
brother.
brother.
It's fun. Can we
Wanna
take
sit,
a
Minx?
swing like that now?
Yeah, we can. But we need to have a tree first, like this.
Ah. I want to go again.
Okay.
Good. Come on, let's go
That's
inside.
brother.
No, I'm okay. See, you want to go?
Okay.
No, yeah, okay. Thank you. Let's come inside.
And the first material is mud and straw.
Is it mud and straw?
And so and little bit cement.
Cement. Okay.
Little bit cement.
Okay.
That's where from?
We are originally from Bangalore, but we live in
Bangladesh is good country.
Bangalore, India.
Bangalore, India.
Yeah.
India. I like something in India. I like the food.
Food, yeah, food is very
Food. Good food.
Yeah. Shah Rukh Khan is there from India.
It's nice food. It's for you.
Oh, is it?
It's for you.
Yeah. Hey, Anik's right?
Yeah.
Anik left is this one. Come this side, guys.
Okay, brother. And this is a small box for donation family.
Oh, okay.
If you like to give something for
For
family.
family,
It's
okay.
kind of you. If you like to give something for family.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
And this is the part of your visit if you like to take a look.
Okay.
It's more cooperative for 25 family. Each family when they bring something, they
Yeah,
some they bring it here. for
Okay.
to sell it. Let's just look into
Let's have a
it.
look. Yeah.
We have anything to see, stone alabaster, ceramic, jewelry,
Okay.
anything. You know the stone also, it's stone alabaster.
Okay.
That stone they come in for 3,200 meters in Atlas Mountain. And that stone, I show something. Yes, for example, that stone they come in for 3,200 meters. And when you pour in water, they give different color.
Ah.
Look at the first color and the second color when you pour in water.
Hmm.
But if you want to keep it, you make just little bit oil for to keep color and baby black with smoke fire.
Okay.
The money for this community that share like hill parties and they live in Atlas Mountain.
Nice.
And also the ladies, and also the money they leave it for ladies.
Okay.
For ladies.
Okay.
For help. And we have fusil, we have a ceramic. jewelry.
Ceramic juice. Okay.
It's mixed of silver, but doesn't change color with anything.
Okay.
اسمه 150
Sure.
Ashok.
That looks nice.
Combien vous pouvez mettre pour le...
I like this. We buy it.
Yeah. You like to wear those bands, is it?
Oh, that's also nice.
It's mixed of silver, but doesn't change color.
Okay.
To make shower with it, to make anything.
So, okay.
How is this? It's nice.
Yeah, it's good.